Welcome to Prodhurt YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore best double door refrigerator. The necessity for refrigerators has been increasing day by day. If you are looking for a suitable design that will meet your requirements and fall within the budget, there are only some mild choices. The process of purchasing a refrigerator is simple, but analyzing the features will allow you to understand the concept of detail. Some of the standard features that need to be considered when purchasing a refrigerator include the budget, capacity, and every other quality available. Analyzing these features is essential because it will allow you to understand the features available to you for this particular price. When you are purchasing a refrigerator, you will commonly look for the best design available because they also play an essential feature. Even though purchasing the refrigerator is a common attribute, there are certain things that you need to consider when you are purchasing within a fixed budget of rupees 20,000. When you are going for a budget, then the budget options will be limited by the budget, which is both a boon and a curse. When you are purchasing a double door refrigerator under the price range of 20,000, you have to give up on specific features. Because usually double door refrigerators are available above the price of 15,000 rupees. So, when you are trying to purchase a product with a price range below 20,000 rupees, you will generally receive the basic model and not the advanced features. In this condition, you have to understand the features to make a wise choice while purchasing a refrigerator with double door technology. Brand. When you are going for a double door technology based or a refrigerator, usually the brands that provide them will be of higher quality. You can make a wide range of choices including Godrej, Whirlpool, and Haier. It's not just these models that are also a variety of other models like LG and Panasonic available in the market. Since you will purchase this product for a low price, try to choose a brand that does not cost extra just for the brand name because technically it will be a waste of time and money. So choose a brand with a budget cost only for the feature and not for its brand name. Freezer. When you are purchasing a fridge, you have to remember that they are entirely within the budget. But since this is the double door model you are choosing, it will always have a top or bottom door that acts altogether as a freezer. When you are going for a freezer model, always remember that this particular freezer can be automatically converted into a cooler just by changing some settings. So, using a freezer based double door technology will be more useful on various levels. Also, when you are purchasing a double door technology based refrigerator with a convertible freezer, make sure that you have options for converting the refrigerator's temperature. This technology will allow you to enjoy a proper set of features reused according to your wish. All these features are essential, but also make sure that the free so that your purchasing comes with frost-free technology. This frost-free technology allows you to prevent ice formation and the hectic job of defrosting them. Some people might worry that this frost-free technology will not have the ability to hold the ice cubes and ice creams. But in reality, they can and the output will be perfect. Vegetable box. Even though the refrigerator is large with a huge capacity, it still has restrictions in the lower region. For example, technically, when you are baking the freezer's exclusive use, then the storage space for standard items will be less because technically the refrigerator is split. The refrigerator is split. So, keeping this concept in mind, you have to choose a suitable capacity. Since the vegetable box comes within this particular section, Their sizes should also be perfect without compromising. If you have a vegetable box technology that is huge with moisture locking capacity, then make sure to choose that particular model. The moisture lock-in technology will allow you to hold many vegetables in a fresh state for a long time. Capacity. The capacity of the refrigerator is directly proportional to its size. When choosing a fridge, the capacity plays a vital role because it is directly proportional to the amount of space within the refrigerator. But one thing that you have to understand in this particular design is that nearly 30% will go for the freezer among the whole capacity. The remaining will be for the refrigerator area. So, if you are a person who is looking for a refrigerator alone without the requirement for a freezer, then you can choose the model with 200 to 300 liter capacity. If you are going to use the freezer for the freezing purpose, all loan banks understand that out of the 250 liters you are choosing, only 200 will be available for regular food storage. Make a wise choice when you are purchasing and choose a capacity model that can be used accordingly. Inverter model. This feature is an important feature that you have to consider when purchasing a refrigerator. Despite the energy rating, which we will see in the future, another concern is required for reducing the electricity consumption of the refrigerator. Most of the normal refrigerators with an ordinary compressor can provide cooling all the time. When you are using a compressor inverter normally, you will have the ability to provide the cooling only when required. This function is similar to the air conditioner where the machine stops once it has reached a particular temperature and then remains idle for a particular time. Later, when there is a drop in temperature, the machine will switch on and produce cool air again. This technology is more useful and most people prefer them since it saves a lot of energy and they are economical. Energy rating. The refrigerator's energy rating is directly proportional to the amount of energy consumed in terms of electricity or watts. When the refrigerator's energy consumption is decent, then their rating will be 5 stars, and for the worst energy consumption, the rating will be a single star. Most people prefer purchasing the 5-star refrigerator because they save a lot of money on the electricity bill. But there is also an existing price difference between different star ratings. For the budget you have chosen, the suitable option would be going for 3 or 2-star ratings, which will be decent and optimum for your requirement. This energy rating is not just for the refrigerators, but they are also available in certain other digital devices to understand and then make the purchase. Until now, there are a set of people who have to imagine that the company introduced this particular energy racing as an advertisement purpose. But in reality, it is a concept that is used by most digital appliance manufacturers all over the world. Some of the double door technology based refrigerators have the additional option of door cooling technology that allows the cooling to pass on the substances present on the racks within the door. This feature is a good option, and if they are available within the given price, kindly choose them. The glass racks should have the ability to be adjusted according to the height of the vessels. You can also choose a model that has the advantage of running efficiently without a stabilizer because of the wide voltage acceptance ability. A properly insulated compressor and other wires will be a suitable option, and they are much safer. Given below are some of the models that are commonly suitable for the particular price range given. If you are interested, you can choose from them, otherwise, you can go for a different model with similar features. Godrej 236 liter 2-star inverter frost free double door refrigerator. The Godrej Group of companies has a huge name in the market with the air products that are famous worldwide, especially in its home base. The company has been existing in the market for half a century with its products like locks and other appliances. The company is continuing in that area by creating the latest digital locks and safes that are famous worldwide. Along with these products, they have also been manufacturing digital appliances like air conditioners and refrigerators that have gained huge popularity. Since they are based in India, their main designs are based on the Indian people, but they are also exporting their products all over the world. Their recent product is the Godrej 236 liter 2-star inverter frost free double door refrigerator. When you are looking for a proper design that can be used for a nuclear family of more than 4 members, then this particular design will be suitable. This double door technology based refrigerator comes with a frost free feature. It allows the freezer to be used as a freezer and cool her according to your wish. The changeover process is simple and you need not worry about freezing certain food items. They have a holding capacity of 236 liters in total. This particular fridge also has certain features that you need to consider while purchasing them. Energy. This particular refrigerator comes along with a 2-star technology that allows you to save the consumption to a certain extent but not completely. Even though certain people prefer purchasing a refrigerator with 5-star technology, it is impossible to obtain such a product under this budget. The 2-star technology, combined with the proper stabilizer and connection, will allow you to save a lot of energy. It also has a fitted inverter that can be used for or providing cool air only when required and not all the time. This concept saves a lot of money. Vegetable tray. They have a huge vegetable tray that allows you to store many vegetables, and it has a moisture technology that allows the vegetables to remain fresh for a long time. So, if you are a person who likes to store a lot of vegetables that come for a week, this particular refrigerator will be a suitable choice. It also has other trays made up of hard and glass material used to hold heavy vessels up to 100 kgs. The door also has such trays to protect the bottles from falling off. They have proper spacing and allow you to store up to 2-liter bottles freely. The gasket present on the door to prevent the flow of air both internally and externally and comes with antifungal technology. The shelves are wide enough to store a large number of vessels and food items without worrying about the spacing. The freezer also has a separate space for storing the ice box, and you can also store other freezing items like the ice creams and peas. They are available on online websites like Amazon, but you can also purchase from the shops after examining them carefully for your satisfaction. This refrigerator is the best option for huge families and people who are constantly working to store their food items during the weekends. Whirlpool 245 liter 2-star frost free double door refrigerator. Whirlpool is a company that has been existing in the market for more than a decade. Even though this particular company is based in America, most people worldwide are interested in this model because of its high quality. The company has been existing on the market for more than a decade. Hence, their products and the brand name are well established among the users. The refrigerator model available within the brand comes with energy saving technologies like the inventors and other features. If you are interested in purchasing a model from this brand, then you can be sure about the quality and technology at the same time. Their research and development team has always made sure that the product's quality is maintained for a long time without any issue. Their latest product is the Whirlpool 245 liter 2-star frost free double door refrigerator. This particular product is available in a beautiful sapphire color combination with a huge capacity that can last for a lifetime without any damage. The frost free technology allows you to keep the cardboard box materials within the refrigerator without worrying about them getting stuck to the ice. So, this particular technology is more suitable for people who save many cardboard materials within their freezer, like ice cream boxes. They can be easily connected to the inverter present within the home since they absorb a low power amount. If you are interested, this particular product can be purchased easily from the online website. Energy. Refrigerator comes along with a 2-star rating, which allows you to have a lot of energy and use them only when required. For example, when you use a fridge, it is not essential to have a 24 cooling to maintain the temperature since the door remains closed all the time. This is why people normally ask you to open the refrigerator door only when required rather than opening continuously. Because when you open the door continuously, the cooling will be lost and the energy will be wasted on recooling. Similarly, having an inverter compressor will allow you to cool the fridge only when required and not all the time. This feature will save a lot of money, time, and energy in terms of practical application. Quality. The fridge is made up of high quality trays and glass locks used for holding the bottles and other heavy vessels for a long time without any pressure. Suppose you are looking for a fridge that can be operated even without the stabilizer. This design is the best choice available in the market. The moisture lock in technology of the vegetable basket allows you to enjoy good crispness and freshness. So, if you are interested in storing many vegetables beforehand, the best option is this particular technology based refrigerator. If you are looking for a perfect refrigerator that does not emit any air or odor, this model will be suitable for air freshener technology. The refrigerator also can operate with the stabilizer and it can also be connected to the inverter. They also have door cooling technology that allows you to enjoy good cooling without worrying about losing the quality of the beverages. They can be purchased directly from the shop also. So, this particular refrigerator is suitable for a wide range of users, including the nuclear family and other family types. Here, 258-liter 3-star inverter frost-free double-door refrigerator. The group owns the Hare Group of companies from America. Understanding the requirements of the people, they have placed branches all over the world. In India, the main headquarters is located in New Delhi and several other places for constant servicing and effective production. This particular company is well known for producing a wide range of products, including refrigerators, air conditioners, and television sets. If you are looking for a product with a low price range and high number of features, this particular brand will be a suitable option. The company has a variety of products available in the market. One of the most important product that we'll see today in the here 258-liter 3-star inverter frost-free double-door refrigerator. This particular product is available for sale in most areas, including online websites like Amazon. This product comes with a double door technology that allows you to store many food items including freezer products. The freezer is large enough to hold various items, and if you do not have any product for the freezer, you can always convert them into the cooler. It also has a frost-free technology that allows store in the products much easier since the ice will not occupy the space. This feature will also in turn produce uniform heating. The refrigerator is available in a beautiful steel color and they come along with convertible technology and inverters. You can connect them to the external inverters of the house for 24 into 7 connection. Energy. The product can hold energy for a long time. They have an energy rating of 3 stars that allows you to enjoy an economical electricity bill. There will always be a particular difference between the prices of these energy ratings. But you have to understand that this difference is essential for a constant electricity bill. The compressor inverter allows you to provide cold air only when required. So, depending upon the temperature, the inverter will operate inside the refrigerator. Boxes. When it comes to refrigerators, certain boxes are required. For example, here the ice box, spice box, and vegetable box are. This particular refrigerator comes along with an ice box and a suitable vegetable box. The vegetable box can hold the moisture content and keep the vegetables fresh for more than 5 days. The box is large enough to hold the vegetables for a week of a 4-member family. The ice box within the freezer can store a lot of ice cubes. These cubes boxes can be moved constantly according to your requirements. So, if you are interested, you can purchase this product from the branded showrooms. They are also suitable for holding heavy vessels and bottles. The bottles can be kept on the side door for a long time within holding capacity of 2 liters. They also have egg trays on the side doors and other liquids. This fridge comes with a variety of other options like their ability to absorb proper voltage without the stabilizer's usage. The refrigerator uses low voltage, hence they can be connected to the inverter. All these features have made the refrigerator suitable for home usage and can be transported everywhere easily.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Prod Hut.